Now let's secure your smartphone from hackers in 2024. Smartphones are extensions of ourselves. Banking apps, photos, emails, everything important is on these devices. Keeping them secure is more critical than ever. First up, let's talk about software updates. Those updates often include crucial security patches, fixing vulnerabilities that hackers could exploit. Think of it like locking your front door. You wouldn't leave it wide open, would you? Keeping your operating system, whether it's iOS or Android, and all those apps you rely on up to date is like reinforcing your phone's defenses. So next time you see that update notification, don't hit remind me later, just get it done. Let's talk two-factor authentication, or 2FA. It's a simple yet effective security measure. Even with your password, they need a second verification, usually a code sent to your phone, like a security guard checking IDs. Enable 2FA on all your important accounts. Let's talk passwords, probably the most common way people get hacked. Using weak, easily guessable passwords is like leaving a spare key under the welcome mat. Password managers are your best friend when it comes to creating and storing strong, unique passwords for all your accounts. These apps generate super secure passwords and store them securely so you don't have to remember them all. Plus, they often come with features like autofill, making your life even easier. Chapter 4, Public Wi-Fi. Proceed with caution. We've all been there, right? Desperate for a Wi-Fi connection, and there it is, a free open network beckoning you. But public Wi-Fi is like a postcard. Anyone can read what's on it. Hackers love these networks because they can intercept your data while you're browsing or banking. If you use public Wi-Fi, make sure you're using a VPN. A VPN creates a secure, encrypted tunnel for your data. Think of it like sending your postcard in a super secure envelope. Chapter 5. App Store Savviness. Stick to official app stores like Google Play or Apple's App Store. These platforms have security measures to weed out malicious apps, but always do your research. Read reviews from other users and be wary of apps with very few downloads. Downloading a dodgy app could expose your phone to malware. Chapter 6. Don't get phished. Phishing attacks are everywhere and getting more sophisticated. They look like they're from a legitimate source, your bank, social media, or a friend. Their goal is to trick you into clicking on a malicious link or giving up sensitive information. Always double-check the sender's address, hover over links before clicking, and if unsure, contact the company directly. Chapter 7. Encryption, your data's secret weapon. Most modern smartphones come with built-in encryption, which is like having a digital vault for your data. When enabled, encryption scrambles your information, making it unreadable to anyone who doesn't have the decryption key. That's you. To make sure encryption is turned on, head to your phone's security settings. Ever install an app and it asks for access to your camera, microphone, location, and contact list? Sometimes those permissions are necessary, but other times they're not. Review the permissions you've granted. Revoke unnecessary permissions to minimize risk and keep your data secure. Losing your phone is a nightmare, but it's even worse if it falls into the wrong hands. That's where remote wipe features come in. Both iPhone and Android have their own versions. Find My iPhone and Find My Device, respectively. These features allow you to remotely locate, block, or even erase all the data on your phone if it goes missing. So, make sure you have this feature enabled and linked to a trusted device. Finally, let's talk about mobile security apps. Think of these apps as your phone's personal bodyguards, always on the lookout for threats. There are tons of great options out there, both free and paid, that offer a range of features. Investing in a reputable mobile security app is like having an extra layer of protection, giving you peace of mind knowing that your phone is in safe hands. So there you have it. With these 10 tips, you'll be better prepared to keep your smartphone safe from hackers in 2024. Remember, it's all about being proactive and taking steps to protect yourself. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to Cyber Sleuth for more security tips, and turn on notifications so you never miss an update. Stay safe, stay smart, and I'll see you in the next one.